You guys, so check out my snake plant. I don't know what's happening. I've I haven't been as responsible as I should have, but I've heard that this does happen to a lot of snake plants. I'm not sure what the reason is. Could be too much water, too little water, but a lot of the leaves are bending. See, like this, they're drooping. So I'm gonna take it out of here, and you see this new one is growing. Um, the ones that are not that they can't save. Like some of these are even turning yellow as well, so I'm just gonna propagate a lot of these. I'm especially gonna propagate a lot of the ones that are bending because it's so annoying to have them drooping like that. And then the rest I'm just gonna move over to a smaller container and hopefully it will thrive. And hopefully the ones that I propagate will bring new babies like this little guy growing right here. So I will be back when I'm done because this might, no, actually this will take a while. You guys, so check this out. I took it out. Look at this. I have to clean up a bunch of this. This is not, can't do anything else with this. I might cut it up here and propagate it. Um, this one with the baby, all of them are bent. See, look at this. They're just bent. So I don't know if I should just take the baby out and propagate it in a separate one, and then I don't know, you guys. I have to think about that. But that one's separate. But then the whole thing. Look at this. I'm gonna clean it out and cut the ones that are no longer I can no longer use. Like a lot of them are still straight, like this one, so that can stay. But the majority of them, as you can see, are just flopping over. So let me clean this first and we'll see what happens. Okay, you guys, so let's do this. I had to cut a few leaves. I think I'm gonna move the big piece in here, and the one with the baby, I did cut off one piece. Let's see, one piece actually came off by itself, so as you can see, I think I'm gonna, look at it. It's like, the thing is that with these two on the side, they're pretty strong up here. It's just that they're bending up here. So I think I'm just gonna cut them like halfway through and then just plant this one with this. But I'm afraid that if I leave those two on the side, it's gonna stunt the growth of how it grows because it's going this way. So I don't know. Let me do this first. Let's see. I'm gonna move it into another pot, a smaller pot. Just I got rid of too much. This is the big piece that's gonna go in there. Hold on one moment. Okay, you guys, so... Oh, wait a minute, I missed one. Wait, is this one? Okay, you see this one right here? This one is already yellow, so I have to get rid of this one. Propagate that one. This one is starting to get wrinkly as well. You guys, when I purchased this, if you go back a few videos, this was so full. It's so many. Let's just, yeah. Usually, there is new growth, like this one right here. This one, there is new growth, but hopefully this will help. Let me cut this one. Yeah, it's yellow on the bottom as well. And wrinkly. Okay. ran out of new soil, so I'm trying to take some of the old soil that's here. It's not wet, right? So I don't think that's why the leaves were bending. Here's the new growth and new beginnings, huh? Okay. So there was a lot of dead roots, like you see here. I think that have been the problem too. I think that's it, you guys. Okay, you guys, hold on, because I'm holding the camera now. Let me put this stick here. This is gonna help. I made such a mess, so now it's in a smaller pot. I got rid of a lot of the ones that were bending, even though these are still bending. I'm gonna leave it like that for now. And I'm gonna propagate the other ones, the ones that I cut. The ones that were really bent over. Drooping like really hard. So I'll show you right now what I cut. Okay, you guys, check it out. This one, new home, looks much better, much neater. There are some that are still leaning, but I actually decided to tie them up to the stick that I have here. And then this one, I decided to cut the two other ones off and leave this one on. This is bending quite a bit. I might have to cut it, but for now it's gonna stay like that. It looks healthy. It looks like it might grow or something. Grow some mini babies. And then these are all the ones that I cut. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hopefully some of these are salvageable. I think the ones that are more yellow, I'm gonna have to cut like on the top where it's green so I can propagate. This one is really yellow here, so I'm gonna have to cut up here to propagate. And yeah, let's do an update and let you guys know what's going on. I just don't know what happened. When I got it, it was so full and it was growing. I was taking good care of it. I didn't change anything, didn't overwater it, and then they just started drooping, so we'll see what happens. Hopefully these can grow more pups here like this one, and they'll get full again, because this one does have like a few growing that I showed you guys before. Let me see, it's in here somewhere. This one right here, this one has grown quite a bit. So we'll see. If you guys have a snake plant, let me know your thoughts. Let me know any tips you may have. Let me know if this has been happening to you as well. Has this happened to you where they start to like droop over like this? And what did you do? Did you save them? Did you propagate them? Did you cut them like I did and I'm about to propagate? And I know it's gonna take a while because these in general grow slow, so propagating is a whole nother story. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video, and hopefully I can do an update, a positive one, and you guys can see some growth. Make sure to like this video and subscribe.